So today we are starting off with our base because I realized that it has been a while since I've shown you my entire routine. So I've been doing Velour liquid foundation and I've been using Scarlet Skin Perfecting Concealer, and I put them both on the liquid foundation brush and then I just start to buff it into my skin. So this is definitely a full coverage look because I have been breaking out so badly lately and I just really wanted some extra coverage. And that combo of coverage and colors is pretty good for me, so that is what I've been doing. I don't know what my deal is. I always think it's just stress related, honestly. But I'm not entirely sure. I also don't eat all that healthy, and but I do get a good amount of sleep, to be honest. So that I can eliminate as a possible cause. Anyway, so I just buff this in with a blusher brush and bronzer. I use this to contour. And I can't wait till these bangs grow out because, to be honest, they won't quite go behind my ears and they're driving me nuts. And every couple years I have to be like, let's try bangs again. And then I remember why I never do them, because they don't look good on me. But I fill in my brows with a dark brow pencil. Is it just me, or does everyone have one eyebrow that always looks better than the other one, no matter what you do? So I'm going in with Astute in my crease, and I'm going to use, above my crease actually, and I'm going to use a crease brush because it's very precise, and I at least want to start it that way, because I want to make it like a cut crease. Okay. And I'm sort of rolling it out there on the outer edge. And then I want it to be the most pigmented towards the outer edge and middle. I will say that I am somewhat lucky that I have a lot of space between my brows and my eyes. I know part of it's because I put it eyes, but my brows are quite high, just to be honest. Okay, so I'm gonna keep building this up. Blending it up as well. Okay, I'm also gonna smudge this into my lower lash line, particularly the outer edge. But I'm not gonna go all the way in with it. I'm gonna use some of Antsy on the flat side of the brow brush, and I'm going to use, so it's a gold color, but I'm going to also mix in a little bit of, like, I'm going to put some of the rose water on the brush. I still have the old packaging. The new packaging is a little bit nicer. But anyways, I'm going to dip that in to Antsy so that I can get like a more precise, I'm going to put that, ooh. That is super cool. That is like even more, I don't know, gold and precise than I thought it was gonna be. That's very cool. I like that. Now I'm gonna go in with the Splurge cream eyeshadow in Amused, which is like a seafoam bluish green. And I'm going to use this to line and make a winged eyeliner on my, obviously, upper lash line. And again, I'm using the angled portion of the Brow Artist brush. more subtle. I have to debate if I want to mess with that because it's not as dramatic as I'd hoped. So I might have to knock a whole bunch of stuff over. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of Assertive. So Assertive's a super dark green. I just want to use a teensy bit of it. Just to mix in with this so that the color is a little bit darker. I'm gonna use a little bit of Discreet just on my lid because it's pretty close to my skin color. I just need something to just sort of like set. Now I'm going to tight line, upper waterline, to thicken up the appearance of my lashes. I'm not very good at this. But it does make a difference. I'm gonna go in with the truest like silver white that I have, which is Trusting. I'm going to just pack that on to the inner corner, just around the tear duct. Now let's curl lashes and do upper and lower lash line mascara. Our blushes have really good mirrors, in case you're wondering. All right, so I'm gonna do a little bit of Prim to lip line. Some Well-To-Do, which is like a shimmery nude lipstick. So this is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching.